So we have two Galaxy S24 Ultras with us, one in Phantom Violet, one in... No, not Phantom Violet, oh. Okay.
No.
What?
I mean, we're supposed to have another two S phones here, but yeah.
I forgot to bring in because my pocket, there's not enough space. But anyway, Pitaka sent us total of 4 items here. One case for the S24 Ultra. This is in the new colorway, I think. The new design.
This is their flagship design, where I certainly confirm I am being targeted by their ads. I've been shown all this design throughout the past 1 or 2 weeks.
And they have 3 colors: black, the blue one, and this orangey
sunset kind of
Yeah, and then for this one is the S24 version of the case. I'm not sure if this is available in different colors, but we'll take a look at this later. Then screen protector. This one is a film screen protector made out of PET material. So
a recycled PET.
Yeah, recycled PET. They highlighted that a lot. So we'll try that out later as well, because as you know, there's a new anti-reflective coating here. You can see the reflection is not that intense, but if you compare it with this phone, yeah, it's intense. So we'll see how much the screen protector will affect. And then lastly is this thing. This is the second time that we're taking a look at this, right?
Yeah, a ring holder with an NFC feature.
Yeah, so we'll leave that later.
The one we have last time have a plain design, but this time they have a matching color with this case.
Sunset.
Yeah.
How do I open it? There's no adhesive, but I cannot push it. Okay, you open it like this. There's a lid here. It's not that obvious, but okay. So, sunset, moonrise, be light, be lively, blah 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 blah. And then here's the removal instruction in case you want to take it out, because the case is very thin.
This case is targeted at those users who prefer the kind of thin and light cases where they don't like a very thick and bulky case for their phones. Yeah, but they still need something grippable on their phone instead of like bare metal and glass.
Yes, and you can see this one. I'm not sure if this one they're using recycled plastic as well. Is it? It writes here, I was a phone case. So this is recycled out of other phone cases.
Yeah.
Just like the iPhone ones that we took a look at a few months ago.
4.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you know what? Okay, yeah, MagSafe, MagEasy Case 4.0. So it's an iconic feature for Pitaka cases right now, but they don't do it for the Z Fold series. I don't know why. I mean, for the Titanium Violet, once you got the case in, it doesn't look like there's any difference with the
regular titanium.
Yeah, everything is covered, so you only get this little peak of color here. Yeah, I think that's the only way to see what color that you have. And the overall protection here is actually very nice. You can see a raised lip around the camera bump, so you won't scratch it if you...
I mean, you put on a table or any surface area.
I mean, accidents happen, so this is really good for protection. And then...
in terms of the side, not too much.
Not too much.
They are still exposing the titanium frame.
Yes.
Well, some might not like it, but personally, I think this is fine, because for me, I prefer my phone to be thin and light. So
this is the... I don't know what's this name. Star something.
I can't recall the thing. But basically, this is the iPhone 15 Pro.
Basically, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 series version of the their own special colorway. So the overall design is...
It's very similar. You can look at the side. They are still like somehow exposing the rails. Even look at the top.
I do like how the S24 Ultra looks more. Because as you can see here, this one exposes for nothing. This one they have exposed for microphones. It's a little weird that they cut out the slot like this, but okay. Then at the bottom here,
yeah, the iPhone is more exposed.
Yeah,
for
the top and bottom.
Yeah, the way how they design the iPhone case is to embrace at 4 corners.
I don't know if they are supposed to be designed for curved screen, because if curved screen, okay, I can understand this this way here, but now since we don't have a curved screen anymore, this side is entirely exposed. Same goes to this side, which I think I like it more. on the S24 Ultra compared to this. But anyway, that's a topic for another day already.
You definitely want to feel the titanium frame. I mean,
yes,
titanium, bro.
Titanium, bro. I mean, you can feel the cold. Then for the second item is this one, the focus. Mag Easy Grip 2. So this is the second time that we're taking a look at this thing. The first time is when I should open from bottom. The first time is when we take a look at it with the iPhone. So it functions the same, it just looks a bit different thanks to this sunset design here, which matches this case. So that's nice. The overall functionality, same.
Well, you can snap it to the back and has a ring. You can use it for your increase your gripability of the phone. I mean, considering the phone itself is quite big.
Yes.
And you can also use it as a stand on the table.
Not sure if
you can use it for vertical viewing, but horizontal definitely can. Because the phone is so big.
And then NFC.
They do have a NFC tag in the ring itself. Of course, you have to use your phone to detect the NFC.
Okay, I got it working for once. So they just bring me to About Pita Studio. Okay, so you can download the wallpaper to match this kind of design. So I think if you download this one, it's supposed to match. And then this one is for the iPhone series, isn't this one?
Yep, that's correct.
And then, you know what, we shall do some moods and routines. Okay, so what moods and routines can do is, if NFC tag is detected, you need to tell it what NFC tag to use. Okay, Pitaka, what to do? Launch the camera.
Launch the camera. That's the easiest way to showcase it. Of course, it depends on how complex you want to design your routines.
Open camera, save. So NFC tag, once it detects this tag, it will launch the camera app. So
let's say you're at home screen.
Okay, it detected, then it launched the camera. That's it. That's how this kind of automation can work. Moods and routines actually is more powerful than Apple shortcuts. I have no doubt about that. Even though I only have an iPad, I can tell you, moods and routines is much more powerful. So for this case though, I forgot to bring the S24 Plus with me here today, so we'll only just take a look at the
case
design.
Itself.
Yes. Yeah. And then I'll B-roll some of the footage with the S24 Plus in this case. It's pretty much the same.
It looks almost like the iPhone.
Yeah.
Because of the rounded corners.
Yes. So the Ultra, it wraps around at the top and bottom to grip on the phone. Okay. For the Plus, it's gripping on the left and right side. The top and bottom are completely exposed, or at least partially exposed, just like the iPhone. It kind of makes sense since a lot of people say the new S24 and S24 Plus look like an iPhone. So even the case is designed like an iPhone. This part is also made from
recycled
old phone cases. So yeah, the camera lip is made by aramid fiber, recycled from production leftover. So yay, recycled material. Always better for the environment. I'll show you B-roll here. And finally, the screen protector.
This is the first time we tried the Pitaka screen protector.
Yes, the first time. So ultra thin and HD clear screen protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Works with the fingerprint scanner. That's also what I'm worried about, because Samsung is the only one that used the Sonar under display fingerprint scanner instead of optical. And it's not tempered glass.
Well, I think this non-tempered glass screen protector can be a hit or miss, considering that now the S24 series, they are all, especially the Ultra, is using flat glass display.
Yes, some people might like it a lot more. They have installation tools, nice.
Well, actually, a lot of users, they are very happy with Samsung's decision this time, because they say, finally, we can use tempered glass.
I'm one of them.
No.
So inside the box, you have not tempered glass. Inside the box, you have 2 screen protectors, then 2 installation tools, and 1 squeegee. Okay, you know what? Let's just try on his phone, not mine. Yeah, installation guide on how to use all of this stuff. I'm not gonna go through it. So this is the PET screen protector, again, film. So inside here we have
That's removable stickers.
Yeah, pretty common, cleaning wipe, and then another dust absorbing sticker. You know, there's one trick that I think I should show you guys how to install a screen protector. Identify where's the top and bottom. Align the screen protector. I don't know why they give you 2 dedusting stickers since there's one big dust absorber here. Once you align it, press down on the sticker. Wrap it around. Now it is time to clean the screen.
I don't complain for the price.
Once you wipe the screen clean, use the dust absorber. See if there's any dust. I mean, you shouldn't do this because I actually stick the sticker on the wrong position. You should do it on the other way around. So now, pull until these 2 are tight. Then now lift up this top piece. The sticker comes out. Installation done. It's gonna be perfect. The anti-reflection property is definitely affected.
Mostly gone, I would say.
Mostly gone. It's now very reflective, but then you get another piece of protection. So give and take, I suppose. If tempered glass screen protector makers or any type of screen protector makers start to incorporate the anti-reflection property,
Coating, yeah.
Yeah, then that would be most beneficial because we can use any sort of screen protector with this kind of
Phone.
anti-reflection.
Yeah.
Try your fingerprints.
Dun, 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 dun.
I think you need to re-register.
Yeah, need re-register.
Overall, I like the case. Screen protector is okay. I'm not a particularly big fan of the installation method.
They could have done a better job at including a installation guide tool.
Yeah, like the Spigen glass fitter thing was
Yeah,
good
it's
enough.
not just the single brand itself, because nowadays you can really get any sort of tempered glass screen protector and they would include a guide tool.
Yeah, and
in
I
the
hope
package.
that screen protector installation guide is useful. I mean, it works for every phone. That's it. I'll leave all of the prices on the screen for you guys to see, including links down in the description below where to buy it, blah blah blah. Check it all out and we'll see you guys in the next video.